Hey guys, and welcome back. On this video, we're doing an Alabama fried chicken sandwich. Now let's get going. All right, so Alabama fried chicken. I got the inspiration from, the Alabama white sauce, but we're gonna be using the white sauce. And this is a company in Alabama that put together kind of their spin on an Alabama barbecue sauce. This one is a little bit more sweeter. As you can see, we've already done a test run on this and the family just loved this. My wife calls it fire sauce because it's so good, makes anything on fire. So I thought this would be good to do our own little twist on that popular fried chicken sandwich that you're seeing all over TV. But why not just use the white sauce? So what I got here is some chicken thighs, just some plain old chicken thighs, and they're a little, odd shaped. I trimmed them up as little as I can, or as best I can. So there's still some chicken fat on there, which I'm not really caring. So we are gonna be smoking these first. So I'm gonna put these on the Pit Barrel Junior just for about an hour to get some smoke. And I'm just gonna hit it with a simple rub. And again, you can use salt and pepper, your favorite rub, it doesn't really matter. Just hitting these with a rub. I got the Pit Barrel Junior fired up with a little bit of applewood in there. We'll get these on and we're gonna smoke them for about an hour and then we're gonna pull them off for the next step. So our chicken thighs have been on the Pit Barrel Junior for about 45 minutes just to get a little smoke in there. Let's go ahead and make our dredge. Gonna hit a little bit of buttermilk here. And there's no exact measurements here. I like some Frank's Red Hot. I like quite a bit. Give that a little mix. For our crust, 1 cup of flour, half a cup of cornstarch. Then I like to hit it with some paprika, add a little color, a little bit of cayenne pepper. One thing I did forget is a little bit of salt. The rub that I used did not have any salt in it, so I'm gonna add some salt. And a little pepper. Give that a mix again. All right, our oil is up about 380 right now. Got it up a little high because as soon as we put some chicken in there, the temperature will drop. Go ahead and coat this with our buttermilk. And then right into our flour. Just repeat the process. All right, our chicken's all fried up. I got some really nice brioche buns that I got a nice toast on it. We're keeping this extremely simple at this point. We did all the work. We smoked that chicken for about 45 minutes, 50 minutes, somewhere around there. We really wasn't keeping track. And then we coated it in buttermilk and hot sauce and coated it with some flour and cornstarch and deep fried those bad boys. So those are nice and crispy on the side here. So we did all the work. At this point, I'm just going to take some of that white sauce, nice bottom coat, and this would be our mayonnaise. We're going to hit it with some pickles. These are just regular old hamburger pickled chips, I guess they're called. I like a lot, so we're going to make this look good. Go ahead and put our fried chicken thigh on there. And then we're gonna top it with some more of that white sauce. Get it nice and coated. That's all I'm doing. Nice and simple. Bam. Let's go ahead and give this thing a bite. That chicken is nice and crispy and tender. That white sauce adds a creamy, sweet layer to that. This thing will beat any of those chicken sandwiches out there in the market right now. You guys have got it to try. Go check out the white sauce. I'll have the link down below. Incredible stuff. This thing can be used on salads, coleslaw, just about anything you can think of. I like this stuff. Remember guys, hit that thumbs up. I'll see you on the next run.